Hi.
Hello,
Hello. Hi.
hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you very much.
You're so beautiful.
Thank you.
You're so beautiful. What's your name?
My name is Jahnavi.
Jahnavi?
Yes, that's right. Oh, you pronounced it very well. Because
Oh, thank
people
you.
call me Janvi, and I think I'm so used to say that as well.
So Jahnavi. Jahnavi.
Jahnavi. Yeah, it's her.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Where
And
where are
what's
you from? Oh, my name is Alex.
Alex? Okay. Wow. Nice
Nice,
name. Very
nice to
easy
meet
to
you.
pronounce. Nice to meet you as
Very
well.
easy. My full name is Alexandra. Can you say that?
Okay.
So where are you from?
I'm from India.
From India. Okay.
Yeah.
And what's your job?
I am a mother of two, and
Wow.
I am not working at the moment. I mean, not making income, but I'm working full time with
Yeah, as
my
a mum.
kids.
How
Yeah, as a mom.
how old?
So I
Sorry,
sorry.
carry on. Sorry, carry on.
Yeah, I sorry. I used to work as a senior business analyst, and then yeah, and then I resigned, and now I'm a mother, and I run YouTube channels. One is my personal channel, and the other one is more of English and for IELTS. Have you heard of
Wow.
IELTS?
IELTS? You mean IELTS?
Yes,
Y-
IELTS, yes.
Yeah, I live I'm from London, but I live in Vietnam. Um
Okay.
Yeah, so I teach English here and I teach IELTS quite a lot. So yeah.
Oh, wow, that's great. Yeah.
Yeah, it's interesting.
And yes, and I've been in London as well. I've been in Ilford,
Ilford, yep, I know Ilford very well.
in Essex County. Yes.
Okay, your English and your accent is fantastic. It really is.
Thank Yeah, but it took me a few years in order to build that up. I think, yeah, because obviously, I think you have that native, your mother tongue influence all the time.
Mm-hmm.
But I think with years of practice and also my schooling was very good. So
Yeah,
I had a strong foundation, I must say. And
yeah,
then later on, I visited a lot of countries, and probably I think with more of speaking with native speakers,
yep.
it definitely does help you. Yeah.
It really does. I mean, your accent is so because I speak to a lot of people from India,
Mm-hmm.
and their English
Mm-hmm.
is fantastic, but their accent is quite strong. But your act,
Yes.
you sound like you've watched not American, but you've watched or listened to a lot of British. Your accent,
Uh, yeah. I think I've stayed in London quite more than in America.
yeah. Okay, so
So yeah.
how long did you live in London for?
I lived for about um, 3.5 years.
Wow. Okay, that's a long
Nearly.
time.
Yeah.
Was that for
Yeah, that's
work?
a long time.
Did you live there for
Yeah,
work?
that I had because my husband went there for a project, so I had to travel,
Yep.
and then I was working there. So
Wow.
yeah.
So yeah, you picked up the accent very well.
Oh yes, I think it's yeah. With years of practice, I think
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah,
we
but
become like them.
practice makes perfect. So that's
Yes,
why.
that's true.
So
So what in yeah, sorry, go ahead.
I was just going to ask you, so what do you use Cambly for? What is it you use it for?
I use it generally for speaking with native speakers so that I can get to know more people, and because I've luckily found you today, and who's of a common interest because we both teach IELTS, right?
Yes, we do. We
Yeah.
do.
So I wanted to explore some of my minutes, and then and
Yeah, no,
then
that's
share, yeah, each other's thoughts, and then so that I can also, upload this onto my YouTube video channel so that others can get benefited from this.
Oh, that's amazing. That's great.
So
So,
I can take your consent on that, right?
yeah, that's fine. You can put me on your YouTube video. Hello, YouTube
Thank you.
viewers. You'll have
Okay.
to you'll have to
Yeah.
send me a message with a link for your YouTube page because I'd love to watch it.
Oh, okay. Sure,
That
sure.
would
I will.
that would be fantastic. So the
Yes.
do you have any questions for me?
What is it in IELTS that you really think is, at least for Indians that we have, what is it that is very important, especially for the speaking skills? What
So
is it that
what's
we
the
have
most
to keep in mind? Yeah, most important thing that usually, I don't know if you have really taught Indians or not, or something
I
that is
haven't
quite,
taught
you
I
haven't
haven't
taught,
taught it.
okay, or
No, I
something
haven't
out
taught
of
it.
your experience which is really very important in writing skill and in speaking, because I think reading and listening students quite do well.
Yeah, they do. They do. I would say, in terms of practicing for it, um, is find something that you're really passionate about and something that you're really interested in.
Mm-hmm.
Um, because that's what I always tell my students first is that when we're practicing, when I just want them to speak, obviously I'll say to them, right, you've got 2 minutes and I want you to tell me about your perfect day or something like that. So something
Yes.
that really, yeah. So I would say something if you want to. I can't get my words out right now. In
Oh,
terms of just making sure at the beginning of learning IELTS is getting students to talk about something they are very interested in and passionate about, because then it becomes easy for them to just speak,
true.
a topic that they understand, a topic that they're familiar with. I think that's how you should start um, getting students' confidence up when it comes to speaking. That's what I do anyway.
Wow, thank you. That's very beneficial for me as well, because this
Yeah.
is a, yeah, it's a good tip that you have given and you have shared with me.
And also, here's another tip for you.
Mm-hmm.
Excuse me, I've got a bit of a cough.
No problem.
When I'm getting students to practice speaking, especially students that are at a lower level, what I get them to do is I get them to close their eyes and I get them to. So, for instance, I will have for my older students, I will
Mm-hmm.
get a news article, for instance, so an
Ah,
article in the
yes.
news, and I will get them to close their eyes, and I will read, say, like it depends on their level. If they're intermediate, I will read 5 words, and
Mm-hmm.
then with their eyes closed, they have to repeat the words back to me. And
Ah,
then we go on
good.
and go on and go on because it helps with their listening, their memory, and their speaking as
And they're
well, all at the
speaking.
same
Yes,
time.
yes,
So
that's very good. Okay.
because I
Uh,
because
oh, thank
I
you.
find carry on one more question for me.
No, no, I was just thanking you so much because this also benefited
Oh
me. Yeah, it is also very useful for me. Yes, and I
no,
think
it's
it
very
will
good
also help
because
my students.
it works on their pronunciation, especially because
Yes,
I
true.
find that if students just read, they don't know how the words sound. So if I
Correct.
read to them
Correct.
and
They
then
need to
they have their
pronounce it.
eyes, they listen to how I pronounce it, not
Okay.
how they
I've
think
got
it
only
should
30
sound.
seconds left now.
I know. Oh, it's
Well,
a shame.
thank you very much. And I'm going to search you,
You're welcome.
Alexandra. Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm going to give you
Okay.
my channel as well.
All right.
Thank you
Definitely. I'd
so
love to watch
much.
it.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome. It was lovely to meet you and good luck.
Lovely to meet you as well. Bye bye. See
And
you.
bye bye. Goodbye. Gonna run out now. 2.
Bye.
Goodbye.